Hey guys, today's video, I want to show a good foam rolling routine. I'm sure a lot of you have a foam roller around your house collecting dust. A lot of people roll out, they kind of hit their favorite spots. I want to show a good comprehensive rollout scheme that you guys can follow to kind of get rid of that Netflix back and whatever else you got going on. So I like to always start from the bottom up, from the calves, and you elevate your hips so you get more body weight into that foam roller. I go toe in, toe out, and I kind of find where those adhesions are. And where that pain kind of sparks, you can just sit on it and try to work that knot out. You can kind of knead it back and forth. I know a good 15 to 20 rolls on each side is usually enough, especially once you start finding problem areas. Then you can kind of fine tune and focus on those. But that's the calves, then you work up to the hamstrings. I always like to do one leg at a time because it applies more pressure. If you're a little more sensitive, you can go two legs. Same way, stack the feet, lean into that foam roller, elevate the hips, kind of grind into it, toe in, toe out, do both hamstrings. Okay, now another great one is the glutes. This one I like to turn the foam roller 90 degrees. Then I like to take the glute I'm working with, so my left, I get that ankle up. Now I lean into it. Now I have tremendous amount of pressure digging in, and I'm able to comb through that whole area and find where those knots are. And like right here is a good one for me, so I'm just going to lean into it, kind of breathe into it. Right, and then the other side, same thing. Hook that ankle, lean into it, just like that. Now the IT band, or a little bit of the outside part of the quad, vastus lateralis, I lay sideways. You can do this two ways. One, use that front leg as kind of your rudder and steer yourself up and down that foam roller, or I like to stack and really apply that pressure into that muscle, into that tissue. Okay. Then moving up the chain, we go to our back. I like to work that low back first, then as I move up into the middle back, I give myself a bear hug to kind of help pull those shoulder blades out of the way. And then I might reach out and get right at the base of the scaps, right like that. Okay, then as I start moving to the front of my body, I'll get my lats. So I'll kind of get into the armpit like this, up and down those lats. Then finally to the quads. This is the one most people have the worst time with. Starting right above the knee and working all the way in to the crease of that hip. And again, you can stack. Good core workout doing this too. Or you can just plant and knead into it. But I think following a routine will help you guys be more comprehensive with your recovery, help you locate and isolate more problem areas, and overall just help you contribute to better tissue health and actually getting more out of that foam roller that you have at home. So give those a shot.